trying to, there was stagnation economically also, yes, but multiple reforms came after that. Internationally, this is one of the main consequence of the World War One, since the wars have been happening between the nation states because there was no external check, there was no one supreme authority which was looking upon the nations. So therefore came the League of the Nations. It is said that a need was felt, okay, a need was felt to create a international organization and prevent any further conflicts and to maintain the peace. So what happened ultimately? The president of USA, Woodrow Wilson, he came up with his 14-point principles and he put forward the idea to create such an international body. Is it clear? Now, so this was created in 1920 at Paris in France, and its headquarters, they were shifted from Paris to Geneva city in Switzerland. Is it clear? Now, there are certain aims of the League of Nations. First of all, it wants to settle international disputes to prevent the war. The principle over here will be of collective security. It will take the decisions in form of economic sanctions and military actions. Economic and social work, it will support various organizations. Is it clear? Now, what was the structure of League of Nations? First one over here is Assembly. Assembly has acted over here as a international legislature. Second, it had a council, right? The council had originally 4 permanent members. Non-permanent members were also elected over here. And the composition of this varied over time. Later, total number of members were 11 and Germany was finally added in 1926 to the League of Nations. A secretariat was present in Geneva. It is said that it was headed by a secretary general who was appointed by the council and approved by the assembly. Now, there was a permanent court of international justice in Hague or Netherlands. It was concerned with interpretation of international law, mutual justice obligation. Okay, and the tenure of judges was 9 years, comprising 15 judges. You will see that again after World War II, United Nations will be formed on similar lines. ILO, International Labour Organization, with headquarters at Geneva, it is existing today also. It was an attached office with the League and they were concerned with improving the conditions across the world. In context of ILO, there were certain conventions in which UPSC in its prelims 2017 has already asked a question. Now, we see that this whole league, right, it could not prevent the occurrence of the Second World War, but it managed to solve some of the prevailing disputes of that time. For example, over here, the League made both the parties of disputes to sign a treaty, and this dispute was in Mosul boundary of Iraq between Britain and Turkey, right? In the European nation Malmedy, we had seen it was between Germany and Belgium. We had noticed that the council, it retained its decision to transfer both the territories to Belgium despite Germany protested this. In the Elland Island, we have seen between Sweden and Finland, the ownership of the island was transferred to Finland. In the Corfu incident, it is said that, which happened between Greece and Italy, there was murder of two Italian officers in Greece. So, a demand of apology and compensation was asked by France, and mediation over here was led by Britain and Greece. These are certain areas where this worked very well. Is it clear? We also noticed that this league had established a mandate system. And what was this? It was to administer those territories which had been captured from central powers. And what were these central powers? This was your Germany, this was your Austria, this was your Hungary, and this was your Turkey, and this was your Bulgaria, right? So this mandate system was there, and it had undertook a number of social work such as setting up a slavery commission in 1932. It had also set up in 1923 a health organization. Is it clear? This is the good part, and the causes of the failure of League of Nations. Now my question is that why this League of Nations had set up this entire mandate system? Because it was very essential to keep a check, but despite this will become a failure, despite having a mandate system, and despite having a check on the central powers such as Germany, how was it possible that Germany again rose to power? How was it possible that Hitler could take so much of power and restart the formation of army in Germany? Is it clear? Now, in context of this, we are going to see causes of failure of League of Nations. The biggest failure of League of Nations has been that it could not prevent the occurrence of the Second World War in 1939. Besides it, the biggest stakeholders of peace and war over here, these are USA and USSR. They were not the members of the League. USA and USSR, they had not been the members of this League of Nations. Conference of Ambassadors continued to exist even after being overruled by a League's decision. So I think apart from this, nations such as Germany, Japan and Italy, they had left the League of Nations because of its weakness. So the most powerful nation over here, which is USA, is not even the stakeholder of this league. And first of another thing, this League of Nations, it had a failure to ratify its treaty, and due to its harsh terms and conditions, this became the reason that why many nations over here, they could not become the part of the League of Nations. Apart from this, it is said that this whole league, it was dominated by the winners of First World War, which made the other nations suspicious about the neutrality of the League of decision, whatever they would take. Is it clear? Following the end of World War I, there was resentment, and what happens because of this, emergence of dictatorship had been observed in Germany and Italy. In Italy, it was under Mazzini. We will see this is known as fascism, and in Germany, it is under Hitler. It is known as Nazism. Apart from this, see another failure. Japan had annexed Manchuria, right? and the League could not find itself in a position to condemn the action of Japan. So all these were failures of League of